Hello, and welcome. Before you decide to trust what you already know about the universe, let me ask you something simple. If the planets are dead, lifeless rocks, why have humans always feared the sky more than the ground? From the earliest civilizations to modern times, people have looked upward not with curiosity, but with caution. Science tells us the solar system formed randomly, slowly, naturally, but ancient records tell a different story. They speak of design, control, supervision. According to theories never taken seriously because of how disturbing they are, our solar system is not a natural structure. It is a system that was turned on. Each planet has a role, and none of them are passive. Saturn was never just a gas giant. Long before telescopes, Saturn was feared as the keeper of time, decay, and endings. Cultures associated Saturn with aging, madness, and collapse. Its rings were described as bindings, restraints holding something unstable. Today, Saturn emits electromagnetic signals scientists cannot fully explain. Some believe Saturn regulates time locally, stabilizing reality after an ancient failure. When Saturn's frequency shifts, civilizations fall. Empires collapse without warning. History resets without memory. Jupiter was placed exactly where it is for a reason. Its gravity shields Earth, but its behavior goes far beyond physics. Endless storms, constant electrical discharge, a planet that never rests. Ancient texts never called Jupiter a ruler. They called it a watcher, a guardian that absorbs threats before they arrive. Every storm on Jupiter is a reaction. Every flash of lightning is a response to something approaching from deep space. Mars was alive. This is not a theory. Science confirms it had water, air, and stability, yet it died violently and suddenly. Ancient sources describe Mars as a world of engineered beings, created for strength and conquest. They did not fail naturally. They disobeyed. Mars was not abandoned. It was erased, its magnetic field stripped away, its atmosphere torn off, its oceans removed. The red surface is not rust. It is what remains after a planet is punished. Venus should scare you more than any other world. Same size as Earth, same origin, yet completely hostile. Venus was never meant to be this way. It was described as balanced until something entered it. Not extraterrestrial life, but something that does not belong to this universe at all. Venus became a gateway. TIV, rate and pressure are not sealed because whatever crossed through it never fully left. Mercury is overlooked, but it never stops moving. Ancient cultures associated it with messengers and observers. Mercury's orbit allows it to constantly monitor the Sun, and the Sun itself is not what we are told. Its cycles align with mass extinctions. Its radiation alters human consciousness. Ancient civilizations did not worship the Sun as a god. They feared it as a controlled intelligence. The Sun transmits information through radiation, signals not meant for us. Earth was the final experiment. Perfect distance, water, atmosphere, conscious life. Too perfect. Humans were not created instantly. We were modified slowly, adjusted, our memory restricted, our awareness limited. We were never meant to remember who came before, because this time the experiment was different. This time the creation was designed to surpass the creators. The gods did not vanish. They withdrew, leaving automated systems behind. But systems degrade. Saturn's signals are changing. Mars shows underground activity. Venus emits unexplained pulses. And humanity has started looking back at the sky again, not in worship, but in defiance. Ancient texts warn of an alignment, not of position, but of function. A moment when the system synchronizes, when supervision ends, when the experiment is reviewed. This alignment is not the end of humanity. It is the end of protection, because when the Watchers return, they will not come as gods. They will come as observers. And the most terrifying truth is not that they exist. It is that they have been watching us the entire time.